Hello, little wanderers. Today we're embarking on a whimsical journey through the world of the letter W. Let's explore together. First up, meet the wolf.
With my sharp senses and strong legs, I roam the woods, a wild and free creature of the night.
Now let's roll with the wheel.
Round and round I go, helping vehicles and toys move smoothly along.
Next we have the wheat.
Golden and tall, I grow in fields, ready to be turned into delicious bread and treats.
And here's the watch.
With my hands ticking away, I help you keep track of the time every day.
Finally, the watermelon.
I'm juicy and sweet, perfect for a hot summer's day treat.
Wasn't that a whirlwind of fun? Which W word was your favorite?
Woo! W word is wonderful and full of
wonders. We can't wait to
wait
learn more.
Wave goodbye for now, but we'll be back with more words and more fun on our next adventure.